Today I'm going to share the 3 major tips to make you become the 10x stats. Tip number 1, just pick Codex or Cloud Code. There are tons of vibe coding tools in these years, but I would only suggest you guys to pick Codex or Cloud Code. They are having the best large language models in the world, and with lots of built-in features like the best context window management and sub-agents, etc. And currently, they are offering 2x usage limits. My personal default is Codex. It offers the command line tool or the desktop app, but I would prefer the command line one. It is built in once for speed and efficiency, so I could have multiple windows running the Codex to process different tasks in parallel, especially in such a limited memory environment. Tip number 2, you must use skills. Skills are the SOP, guide the agent through a task. Basically, they are prompting and sometimes scripts to package your repeated workflow. Once you installed, the vibe coding IDEs could automatically load the relevant skills when needed. You should try to reuse some skills from others, and sometimes you have to modify a bit or create your own skills. For example, I have installed a skill called .update made by others, and it just updates the documents in each components folder. However, I want to also update the agents.md and cloud.md in each components folder as well. So I have to update the dot to include agents.md and cloud.md. And finally, the skill fits my workflows and it saves tons of my times to handle the repeated tasks. However, please don't install too many skills, especially they are overlapping, vague, and bloated. You only need to have the most precise skill you have in a project, and the description must be clear and narrowly scoped. It can save the context window space instead of stuffing the model with useless instructions. And the last tip is using AI to implement, but also you have to manually review every single step. Over a year of vibe coding, I find the most practical workflow is you have to turn on the plan mode and describe your goal clearly in Codex and Cloud Code. Before the implementation starts, you have to review the plan carefully to ensure the scope, constraints, and testing procedures are all correct. And remember to turn on the sub-agents in Codex and Cloud Code. It can spawn multiple sub-agents and delegate corresponding tasks to them. Then after the AI implementation and testing, you still have to verify the outcomes by yourself. After that, even everything looks good, you are entering the final and most important the review loop. First, you need to understand the whole architecture and goal of your project. Second, you should add Codex or Cloud Code to review the changes or commits that you made. You should surface the blockers or issues in priority order. Then you must have to validate those findings by yourself. Then ask the model to fix the real problem with your comments and directions. It is the most time-consuming part, but you can't skip it. AI might give you the wrong information or push the code in one or slow P direction. It makes you hard to maintain your code base. AI can accelerate implementation, but it doesn't eliminate the need of engineering judgment. You still need to know the architecture, security, scaling, CI/CD, and more. Because engineers still own the consequences of shipping bad products. AI hasn't replaced software engineers, it just changed. It has reduced the cost of reading code, drafting, implementation, and handling repetitive work. It hasn't eliminated the high-leverage part of the job, like defining the goal, setting constraints, reviewing trade-offs, and decide what is safe to ship. Professional vibe coding isn't letting Codex or Cloud Code to code. It's still the engineer discipline.